guys, my name is Shweta and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button below. So today's video is all fun and relaxed because it's about shopping, makeup and home decor. So grab your snack and let's get into it. To be very honest, ये first time हुआ है मेरे साथ कि जो भी स्किन केयर और मेकअप मैंने बाई किए हैं, I just love all of them. Starting with the setting spray from Sephora, and this one is from One Size. This setting spray is hands down the best setting spray I have ever used. This spray has a fine mist, just check it out. I can assure you, if you use this, there is no going back. This will lock your makeup completely and your makeup will not move for 10 to 12 hours. अगर आप इसको फर्स्ट टाइम बाय कर रहे हो, I will recommend that you go with the travel size because इसमें थोड़ी सी fragrance है, but if you don't mind fragrance, this will change your makeup game. Second product I got is this one from Charlotte Tilbury. It's their Hollywood Flawless Filter. If you need that glowy, dewy makeup, try this one. This one comes with a little tint in it. Just buy it according to your skin color. You can use this one as strobe cream. Just look at that glow. Again, if you are buying it for the first time, go with the mini version because I think this product is a bit expensive. So next up, I have a skin tint from Maybelline. It's called Super Stay 24-hour Skin Tint and I am in the shade 322. अगर आपको daily wear के लिए कुछ heavy नहीं चाहिए अपने face पे, तो this will be your best bet. In this packaging, you'll get a dropper. So lightweight that you can blend it with your hands only. ये स्किन टिंट बहुत ही लाइट वेट है एंड इट विल स्टे फॉर आवर्स एंड दे हैव ग्रेट रेंज ऑफ शेड्स इन इट. Okay, so now my favorite product. I have already started using it. This one is pimple drying patch from Mario Badescu and this is with salicylic acid. I don't know अगर वीडियो में दिख रहा है पर मैंने अभी भी इसका पिम्पल पैच अपने फेस पे लगाया है एंड दिस प्रोडक्ट मुझे तो पिंपल पैचेस स्कैम लगते थे until I used this one. This has total 36 patches and इसमें 3 पैकेट्स आते हैं ऐसे. Just simply apply it on your pimple और आपका पिंपल एक दिन में ड्राई हो जाएगा. Next up I have this Centella face mask from Skin 1004 and this is a roller face mask. Let me show you. It is so convenient to use. Just open it, roll it out and just simply apply it on your face. It is a kind of clay mask. इसमें बहुत छोटे छोटे grains हैं, so you can use it as a face mask and a scrub as well. And this works really good if you have open pores. If you are looking for some travel friendly face mask, go with this one. Now I have a lip gloss from Ilia. It's called Overglaze Hydrating Lip Gloss. I really like the shade of this lip gloss. It's called Enamel. Let me show you. Just look at it, how beautiful. And the last product in skincare, it's this serum from Ordinary. It's their Alpha Arbutin serum. I have read so many reviews about this ingredient that it works great with dark spots. So I've recently started using it and I think I'm enjoying this product. Now it's time for some home decor. The first thing I have is my favorite cute little soap dispenser. It's a ceramic dispenser with the gold detailing and I got this one for just $9. Second I have is this lamp with the long cord, and one good thing about this lamp is that you don't need an extra bulb. It already has a light in it and this was for just $5. Let me show you. So next up is this rotating basket. This one is a wooden look but it's plastic. I use this one at my bathroom sink with my soap dispenser and candle. Next up I have my favorite thing, candles. इन दोनों की बहुत different fragrance है and I just love both of these. This one right here, it's from Watson Candles and it's called Espresso. This is such a cute candle in a coffee cup and this smells just like coffee. The second candle is this one. It's from Foundry and Flame, the Queen of Cards. And this smell reminds me of ocean and coastal area. Talking about candles, I have this beautiful candle holder. I got this one from Bath and Body Works. This one is such a great decor item for your house. Just put a candle in it and use it as a centerpiece for your dining table. And the last thing in home decor category is wall decor. This one says manifest and this one is my favorite, says Delulu is the only Selulu. I got both of these from Amazon. They both are very good quality and both of them come with a hook at the back. Makes it really easy to hang it on the wall. इनमें से कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स मैंने ऑनलाइन बाय किए हैं और कुछ स्टोर में से. I will try to link the maximum products in my description box below. Alright, that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video and I hope you stay here for long. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in next video. Bye.